So here we have the Dangerous KBR1. It's a keyboard reader one, which is it's plugged in via USB. It just acts like a HID device, human interface device, to the host, which in this case is a keyboard. So anything that you scan, any tag that's ISO14443A compliant, the ID will get read by the reader and then typed out to the host. So anything that I read here will just appear to be keyboard input to the computer. So I just have Notepad open here and little flashing cursor, and I can scan my XNT implant here. It's pretty consistent. You just run it across, gets a good read, spits out the ID, and then follows it with a carriage return. So if I had a spreadsheet or something here, then it would just fill in the cell and drop to the next cell, which is good if you need to catalog a bunch of tags or whatever. But you can also use it as something kind of interesting, like a little quick and dirty computer login. I'll show you how to do that here. So we hit the Windows button and we do sign-in options. So we want to change some sign-in options. I don't want to change my password to the tag ID. I just want to add a PIN, which is like an alternate form of login. So it asks for the current password, which this is a demo laptop, so it's only 4 characters. But now I can add a PIN. So at this point, the cursor is in the new PIN field, and I just do a scan. Very easy and consistent. Drop it down to the next field, scan again, and it's added. So at this point, I can use my password or a PIN, which is the ID of this, to log in. So let's see that in action. We can hit Control-Delete, lock, and bring up the screen. So it's asking for PIN automatically because it's a PIN. Oh, this is a touch screen. So rather than type it in or anything, I just scan, and boom, it's unlocked before I can even get the camera back. Let's try that again. So lock, and ask for the PIN, boom, just like that.